Hi guys, today I'm going to look at some grinders and some common issues that I come across that happen to these and see if we can fix them up. We'll see if we can find all of those issues and see if we can get some of these guys going. Alright, so the next issue that you'll see a lot of is worn brushes, obviously. The machine gets used a lot, so on Makita they're really easy to change. Right here, just remove this cover. Out and yeah, there's your problem. There's absolutely no brush left on this. There's the rest of it. Yeah, that guy was definitely due for some brushes. These grinders work hard. If you're a welder or a fabricator, it's probably your number one tool aside from your welder. That one's done too. See if I can find some spares for that and we'll get those put in. Alright, now let's install those brushes and we can test this thing out. So we'll grab our brush here. Just drop straight in. It's tricky. And the cover goes on, and these covers are nice. You strip one side and flip them over and use the other side. Well, I hope some of you guys found this video helpful. I have to say, even if you follow all of these steps, your grinder could be damaged beyond repair. But sometimes it's worth going through and seeing if you can fix it yourself rather than sending it off to be fixed or scrapping it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like and please subscribe so you can see future videos. Thanks a lot.